This is my dog Kobe.
Good pointing.
She points at birds and occasionally chases them. This week is a busy one. I've got a ton of different content shoots and wanted to get back in a more creative space, so I thought I'd record a vlog to get back in the flow of creating videos while I'm busy and on the go. It started off with a quick trip up to Prince George, BC for one of my clients. I just love flying in airplanes above the clouds. It's so mesmerizing watching the mountains pass by below. For the first shoot of the week, we are essentially just capturing some super high quality stills from every angle of the newest truck and trailer that they recently acquired.
Want the sun? See a little bit of the sun peeking too. This is so good.
These will be used for digital assets with a replaced background and likely will end up being used for their calendar. They are great assets to have for a corporate company like this.
Yeah, it looks great.
Unfortunately, it started snowing, which effectively ended the shoot.
That's a wrap on shoot day one. I kept waiting for the sun to come out just like a little bit more, but by the end of the shoot, it just started snowing more and more, so I decided to call it. It's almost 4 o'clock, so that's a wrap. I'm gonna head back and grab the rest of the gear and head to the hotel. Sort of a success for shoot day one. Weather could have been better, but it is what it is.
I took over 3,000 photos since I was doing HDRs, so I offloaded, headed to my cousin's for dinner, slept, and worked out in the morning.
All right, here we go. It's so weird for me. I used to love coming on these trips and getting out of town, and just I always really enjoyed the experience, but since I've become a dad, I really miss being at home. I've become a bit of a homebody, so I'm pretty eager to get back home tonight. And it's snowing back home. Finally, this is the first snow of the year. My daughter's never seen the snow, and I really want to be a part of that. It's like minus 15 with wind chill here, so I'm definitely feeling the cold.
Today, I'm just taking more pictures of this 5-ton truck, and the weather today is great.
Headed back into town, gonna grab a little lunch from Subway, and then wrap up this shoot after that. That's officially a wrap on today's shoot. I'm gonna head to the airport now and fly back home. I basically shot everything for this project on the Sony a7 IV with the Tamron 35-150, along with a polarizing filter. Pretty simple setup. It is just so cold here when the wind kicks in. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I have these heated gloves with heated coils that go all the way through all the fingers. But the cool thing is you can flip the fingers back, you know, classic photography gloves, but heated all the way through the fingers because I got frostbite once. These have been essential on today's shoot. I custom designed them, but the minimum order quantity is 500. So if you guys are interested in something like these, let me know in the comments and maybe we'll make that happen. It's a big investment up front. So probably not, but maybe. Just got to pack up and we'll head out. See you guys from the sky. Parked the Evo. Sadly, most of the snow is gone. Feels good to be home. See you guys tomorrow.
I got into the office super early so that I could get all my initial work done and come home for Savannah's wake up.
Normally I have this shelf up here right full of boxes, products ready to go so I don't have to process them like I did today, which is a little bit annoying because Bamboo Lab is out of stock. So it took me a long time, but I finally got some more stock, so I'm ready to get all of my products back ready to go, fully boxed up.
So I finished offloading and backing up all the content from my shoots, and I got some more filament ready to go in the dryer so we can get another batch of products printed. I also needed to finish post-production on a few so that I can get them in the mail ready to go. So everything is charging and I got all my products ready to go in the mail. And now I'm gonna head home and help with the baby this morning, which I'm really excited about. Products are in the mail, ready to go out. Back to family time. Where are you going, sweetie? Whenever I get the chance, I always like to walk the dog and take the baby out for a bit of an adventure. It's so much fun watching this little pup run around. Also helps that I live right beside a beautiful forest, so this was a good morning adventure. I originally had a shoot booked for this afternoon, but due to the pouring rain outside, they decided to cancel it last minute, so that was kind of frustrating. But it gave me some time to get some post-production done, so I've been just editing all day. I'm gonna swap my quick release plates and get 3D printing a new batch. And I got a rig up for a shoot tonight. I'm doing like 1.5 hour straight video of an event. Got some new prints finished and processed them as quickly as I could so I could get my new orders in the mail again. Headed home, gonna walk the dog and the baby. Stuck in traffic. I would have walked normally, but it's just downpouring and I had to bring the gimbal. I didn't want to de-rig it and rig it back up, so. It's these little moments in between shoots and busy days that really fill me up. I just love spending time with my daughter and watching my puppy run around like a chaotic dog that she is. I mean, that's just fun. Running a little bit late, so I scarfed down some dinner. Thank you, Maggie. And got in the car and took off right away. We're headed all the way downtown for a video shoot with Forbidden Tours. It's an exclusive event. I'm gonna roll non-stop with the gimbal camera for about 1.5 hours. It's gonna be a late night. Just wrapped the shoot. I am officially exhausted. My watch says I did something like 17,000 steps today, so I earned it on this one. Gonna drive home and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Another day, another early morning. I woke up at 4 and headed straight to work even though I felt like a zombie, and right away got all of my gear unpacked and recharged so that it's ready to go for my next shoot or whatever's needed, and swapped some build plates and 3D prints and dealt with this mess. Then I packed up quick for my next shoot before heading home to walk the girls real quick. On a busy week like this, I'll take every chance I can get to walk with my family, and then I headed straight to the SkyTrain because I'm shooting downtown in Gastown today. Okay, so I just finished up shoot number 1 and it was a success. Just got a quick voiceover, doing an editing project. Headed out, walking 20 minutes for shoot number 2. Let's roll. Got some pizza, and our next video is about a tattoo artist. So we're doing a little day in the life kind of thing. Should be fun. I love it here in Gastown. How's it going?
How you doing, dude?
Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Nice.
Welcome in.
Yeah, shop looks great.
So I have a bit of a gas problem, gear acquisition syndrome, if you haven't heard of it. And in the middle of my shoot just now with this tattoo artist, I bought this microphone off of Marketplace. I wanted something for easier audio for YouTube videos and for client work. And it's got a lot of cool features, including auto leveling, that I would love to utilize. I'm filming on this little camera there. So I just finished up a shoot of this local crafters maker store, and I was shocked at how many different 3D printed booths there were. It was like 1/3 of the store was 3D printed for really high prices. So I found that pretty interesting. Maybe it's time to get into this. filming an event inside a donut shop later today, so I went and asked some questions and they gave me a donut. So you'll see a bit more about that tonight. Should be a fun event. Bonus is I got a free donut. That's officially a wrap on my shoot in Gastown today. I'm tired, headed for the SkyTrain, driving home because I have one last shoot tonight. Hi, puppy dog.
Hello. Hello, Kobe. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Are we smiling? Just finished dinner and thankfully was able to help put the baby down and be a part of bath time, which I really love. Heading out now. I have one last final shoot for Gastown, a pop-up at the Lee's Donut Shop with Felix Cartel. So should be pretty cool. I guess he's doing some DJ in there, and there's like some new flavor of alcoholic drink that they're celebrating. And that's a wrap for today. I did a lot of filming, did a lot of work. Felix is a great artist, so that was a lot of fun. And yeah, headed home. See you guys tomorrow. It's been quite the week, but Friday morning, woke up early, got to the office, offloaded, and headed straight to a shoot up at Burnaby Mountain in the snow. It was for a construction company. There was supposed to be an art install, but obviously that didn't happen. So, you know, I got to see this and try to capture something. That's a wrap here up at SFU Mountain. Wasn't much going on for me to capture, but I got some cool shots with the snow, so I guess that's a success. It's coming down like crazy out here, so I'm gonna show you guys a few of these beautiful snowy scenes. One of my P1Ss is having some nozzle problems, so I tried to fix that, but I got an error and I'm just too tired to mess with that right now. So I might come in tomorrow morning. If not, it'll wait till Monday. Getting a couple packages in the mail. And I think we're gonna call that a wrap for this week. I enjoyed doing this again this week. It was really fun. I was getting back in the flow of it, so I used a lot of random cameras and just kind of recorded everything, but I think it went well. So let me know what you guys think if you want to see some more of these vlogs. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.